So getting paid is that's a crunch point, right? And especially as, you know, economic times toughen, and they get better and they get tougher, but they're always, there's some period they're going to be tough, and you got to keep your business afloat. So how do you make sure you get paid for work? So you can't 100% guarantee it, of course, but there's a few things you can do to improve your chances. Make sure you've got good and reasonable terms and conditions, but if you're getting into a fight stage, then it's costing you money anyway, and that's not ideal. So when you do the job, if you do a good job, you're consistent quality, your guys are always, and girls are always delivering high quality service, and they're following their procedures, and they're doing it the same way each time. You're sending the invoice out to the customer straight away. So no customer wants to get an invoice a week or 2 weeks after the job, and they're like, what did they do? And like, a lot of the emotion of the problem being solved is gone. So get the invoice out same day, do the job, invoice goes out straight away. Capture the customer's signature when they've done the job, so their signature's on the invoice. You try and wiggle out of an invoice you've actually signed, it's like, you're not going to do it. So we ensure the signature goes on the invoice. We have workflows to make sure you can invoice same day, and Bob's your uncle and Mary's your aunt, and you're off and running. And that just, you know, that's a significant improvement, you know, between a 15 and 25% improvement in payment rates by getting the invoice out same day with a signature on it. So come on, everyone.